Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Charlene. Thank you for being here. So this channel is about traveling, some beauty, some business, and other things that I like. So in today's video, 2 Lux birthday gifts, and then I got 2 birthday gifts. First one is this Ray-Ban right here. Yes, it got scuffed up a little bit with my pen because I keep it in my purse. And the other gift is this one, this beautiful baby right here. This was a total surprise. In this video, I'm gonna also insert clips of me going to pick up my glasses and another clip of me receiving this bag for my birthday. So these 2 right here are birthday gifts. So this first one right here, this is the Ray-Ban Sky. I've been wearing it for like about 2 months now. Love it. So I got my prescription put into these Ray-Ban glasses here. I love it because of the shape of it. I think it goes with me. It's really, really cute. So yeah. Like I said, I'll put the insert of me receiving it. Like the Sky Ray-Ban. The glass is a little bit dirty, but yes. I've been wearing it for a while. The most thing I do with it is probably take little pictures. I haven't really recorded in it. Pictures and listen to, like, my videos and stuff. That's what I really do with it. So the next gift here, Louis Vuitton. I have not really worn it out yet. I got it for my birthday. If you know, I posted up in my community tab of my birthday, a couple of birthday pics, a birthday dress, me taking pictures with the dress. So yes, let's do an unboxing. Don't cry.
You deserve the world, Charlie, but this is all I can give to you right now.
Like I said, I'm going to put the insert of me receiving this. Put the box down. The duster. And this is the bag. This is like the Speedy 30, if I'm not mistaken. She's been in the bag. I haven't worn it out because I wanted to show it to you guys first. I wanted to show it to you before I took it out, girl. Yes, this is it. Okay. And I also have an organizer for this one too to keep it shape. So sweet, so special. Wasn't that cute? The inside of it. And it also comes with the strap, right? Comes with the strap. Comes with the strap. And it also comes with the lock. Put this down over here. Lock. and key. You can't have a lock without the key. Key is good too. This was a total surprise. I've been talking about it. I've been looking at Fashion File to look for a pre-love bag in the Louis Vuitton Speedy, and this was a gift. I didn't tell you from whom. This one was from my sister. Okay, I've been talking about it and talking about it and telling her. Just a little card with skew. Just says Louis Vuitton. Yes, I've been talking about the bag and she just surprised me with it. So this is it. Like I said, they fold it, but I also have the right here. Hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, I'll buy another one. Since we're here, might as well just try it out to see if it does fit. So I could just, if it doesn't, I'll order one. So this is the organizer I was talking about. Got this small pouch. You just insert it into here. The zipper. So the bag doesn't get dirty on the inside. And like I was saying, for it to keep its shape. Let's just try it one time. Let's see. And if it doesn't fit, I'll just go on Amazon. Oh, it fits. All right, look at that. Yes, it does fit. Okay. And this will help it keep its shape and keep clean on the inside. All right. Speedy 30. Look at those beautiful zippers. Look at that. So pretty. All right. Smells good. Brand new. That's what it smells like. Look at that. So pretty. So nice. So thank you for joining me. Until next time, I have more videos coming out. Okay. Oh, so you want to see the inside? Let me show the inside before we go. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. I'm trying my best here. A little pocket inside. Now she could go out in the road. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing of my Speedy 30 Louis Vuitton. And not really unboxing, but yes, unboxing of the Speedy 30 and show you the Meta Sky glasses that I received. Until next time, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you again. I'm Charlene. Thank you for stopping by. Bye, girl. Till next time.